clarity and lucidity. Clarity and lucidity are actually beautiful expressions. They, are, they relate to the reality, to the actual zone, the actual realm of human life on earth, the real thing we're here for. Because once you talk about clarity and lucidity, then you are talking about the super individual in them. You're talking about the super self or the superhuman aspect of human life on earth. Because only the superhuman aspect of human life on earth can reveal clarity, can bring about clarity. Anything outside the superhuman, anything outside the super individual that is so potent, that is so almighty within you, that rules everything else, that, that remains a mystery to the ordinary human who is in time and space, who is in the comfort zone of human life on earth. That is the point that when you live life as a human, you must relate also with the superhuman within you. You must also relate with the super individual within you. You must also relate, in fact, with the spirit inside. Because the spirit is actually what matters. The spirit is actually what governs the heart, what calls the heart forward. Because without the spirit, without the super individual inside, then you can only deal with the mind, you can only deal with the brain, the outer brain. Once you go off the zone of the super individual, once you go off the realm of the spirit, then you remain in that of time and space, that of past and future, which is confusion, which is disorder. Man, as he is today, man and woman are completely lost. Because in Nigeria, that's why the country, a great country like Nigeria, a country so potent and so powerful, so blessed as Nigeria is. Nigeria is one of the most blessed countries in the world. But because of existing in time and space, because of existing in past and future, Nigeria is lost. Nigeria has been lost and has been going down, going down, going down. Nigeria can never rise up while dealing with time and space, while it is trapped in the past and future. So for Nigeria to move up, for Nigeria to realize itself, and for Nigerians to be in control, as well as for Africans to be in control, there must be a change from time and space to immediateness and spontaneity to the present and the moment, or to the here and the now. That's what I mean. So living in clarity is actually a great thing. It's actually the greatest thing in human life on earth. To live in clarity and lucidity moves you away from mystery, moves you away from obscurity. It takes you away from abstruseness, from inertia. Because when you are in inertia, you are in the world of memory. You are in the world of imagination, which are completely consistent. So living in clarity, living in lucidity, is means that you are already in the galaxy. The galaxy is composed of billions of stars, and you see this happening. But if you are in the world of time and space, then you are trapped at the physical level. You are trapped, you are attached or imprisoned in the world of the earthly, in the world of the lunar. That's the lunar world and earthly world. Earthly world and lunar world are darkness. They refer to darkness, they refer to confusion, to blindness. But once you move out of that and move into clarity, move into the world where you can see the galaxy, where the galaxy is your environment, you have already become a star. But if you are not a star, you can't exist with stars. You can't exist, you can't see the world of the galaxy, which is also there. You are attached to the physical, you are attached to the earthly, you are attached to the lunar, where you struggle, where you are in time and space, where you are in past and future, where you are in fear, worship, and doubt, and worry, and fear, exploration, everything happening. While the man is looking for where to hold onto, he cannot find it. because you have lost the heart, you have lost the word of the spirit, you have lost the word of the superhuman. So this is what will change Nigeria. This is what will move Nigeria forward. Because any country that is drifting up and down, past and future, time and space, can never find peace, can never find solution. This is simple reason. This is why we must return to clarity and lucidity. We must return to substance and effort. We must return to the world where we are dealing with fluidity, fluidity and sensation and vibration and ecstasy and bliss. This is the truth about clarity. And thank you very much.